to play You Are God from beginning to the end, intermediate level 2. Now, in intermediate level 1, we just played something like this. You are God, right? You are God, right? From beginning to the end. Right? Let me start again. You don't do it like this. You are God, or you do it like this. As long as the do note, excuse me, as long as the do note is the last note on your right, you are God. Because God is do. Oh, God. So the law is it has to be the last note by your right. You are God. Oh. Right? From beginning. So this is do over me. Or you can do from beginning. Me first inversion over me. Or any of them will work. From beginning to the end. Take note on this one I'm playing now. We are singing with our mouth. So that's why it is level 1, intermediate level 1. We are doing You Are God from beginning to the end. But intermediate level 2, we are not singing with our mouth, we are singing with our hands. So, the law or the principle we are applying is that the notes or the melody of the song is always around the chords. You're playing around it, especially if you're playing the right chord, right? So if you're doing You Are God, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re and mi chord. Hit your mi again, then do, ti, la. Do you get that? So I'll do it very slow. So you hold your mi on your left hand, do here, or you do this. Right? Then there's no place. So you have to hold your fa chord. So it's mi, re, right? Do you get that? We're about to do re, so, do on the left hand, so. So we're holding a G sus2 here. What's a sus2? It means instead of holding your G like this with your G on your left hand, instead of holding like, because the melody of the song is La. By yourself, the melody of the song sound here. So we replace this for this. Do you understand? So go to re, and this is fa chord over re, G sus2. So what I just did, forget about that one, it's just extra. Now that's how to play You Are God All By Yourself, intermediate level 2. Watch out for the advanced level. Please subscribe, it will really help you.